Merry Christmas, everyone! Today we are doing a very interesting project. Is to make a wonderful Christmas wreath I bought years ago. There's some little branches, little twigs, and I'm gonna use this 12-inch or 10-inch. I have another two. Okay, some fig berries, little twigs as I showed you earlier, and some pine cones if you can. This is from my old Christmas wreath. Anything decorative, you can put it on there. I can't even wait to begin. Take a few of the twigs. Because you already have the round shape, it's perfect. All we needed to do is put them in here. I'm going to cut all of this because these bits are too tough. They are not very easily to bend. Unlike this one, they are quite easy to bend. Okay, all this to be cut. You have to fiddle with it a little bit. Okay, so I adjust it a little bit. But all this is quite fun, either to do at home or with your children. I think it's a lovely project. Beautiful. It takes quite a bit of fiddling, if you know. But once you've done that, I'm sure you'll be very pleased with yourself. Like this bit, I will close it in now. They are quite tough, these wires, so please be careful. Like that. Wow, beautiful! Not perfect, but it will be better when I finish with this. This bit. Oh, sorry, Santa. Okay. Don't worry if some of them sticks out. The imperfection is perfection. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm sorry, Santa. I hate you twice, I know. Now we're gonna decorate this. It's another exciting project to do. I prefer this one. Wow, this looks better. Let's do this. Okay. Last year, I used fresh Christmas trees, made a Christmas wreath, and this year, I'm gonna use this one because this little twigs has been treated. Oh, some golden trees on there. What do you think? I think it look pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, I'm sorry. wish everybody watching this be healthy, wealthy, and wider. That's right. Just to hide those little wires. I think it's gonna look amazing. Beautiful! Wow, amazing! I love this. I am loving this. Outside it's raining and I love the rain. I love it. What do you think? Not too overcrowded, I hope. But I do like this kind of feeling. Berries, cherries, just a nice Christmas. I think it's beautiful. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas!